Jasmine. I love you. It's Fizz. Hey Fizzy. Love you too. Fizzy. Come on, Papa. Come on, Fizzy. Go. Come on, Fizzy. Not you. Oh, you're so warm. Is it sunny out there? Oh, hi, Bex. Come, Fizzy. Come, Fizzy. Fliss. Fliss. Gonna come up. Is that a nod? Come on, Fliss. What are you doing down there? Fliss. Come on. Yay. She's coming. She's not coming. Damn. Oh, wait. Here she comes. This. These are my bubbles. Hey. You right? Love you. We've got a guest. It's Ginger. Hi, Gingy. What do you think, Fizzy? They're all like keeping guard. Poor baby. Ooh. What have you done? You caught that? Ooh. It's cold outside, isn't it, Ginger? Yeah, I know you want cuddles too. We love you, Ginger. Cats are very accommodating. It's nice. You need a brush. Oh. It's like, I see an opening. Bye. I'm just going to stop here, have some biscuits. No, I'm not. I'm leaving. Bye. Bless him. It's huge. What do you think?